Who said Tesla's 3 is awesome? This Model S has only traveled hundreds of thousands of kilometers, and the motor controller exploded as soon as I started driving. The motor made a buzzing sound. Later, the car owner towed the car over to the CS store and said that the electric drive was always broken and they would charge the car owner tens of thousands to replace it with a new one. Don't waste money. According to a big screen report. This is the motor control plan. This can be repaired by removing the electric drive. Remove the upper cover of the controller. This is the motor controller of the Model S. It is U-directed, V-directed, and W-directed. It is fixed with a triangular structure. It is the U-direction that is broken. First, measure the inverter 0 Igforg and Onig. There is 0 short circuit between them. You need to remove them all and replace them with new ones. Replace with new Ig. Pour protective glue to restore the controller. Put the motor controller back. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Qian. The unique motor control unit has been repaired and the car can be driven normally. It has helped the depot to contact tens of thousands of viewers, allowing you to understand the tram better.